everybody, welcome back to I Am Cooking with Darnell, and I am Darnell, and you will be cooking with me. Today, I got a good recipe for y'all. You know, it's the American classic, burgers and fries. I already got the fries on, but to make the burgers, we're gonna do something different. I'm trying to stay away from beef, a lot of red meat, so we're going with Beyond Meat Patty. And you're gonna make it from scratch. It's gonna be pretty good. It's gonna be pretty solid. I'm not making the meat from scratch, but all right. But right now I already got the fries in, so they, cooking them up. They should be taking a little bit, about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the burgers be done, the fries should be done. So what I did with the fries, I just got some potatoes. I chopped them up. I rinsed them off, put them on a pot, let them boil for about 25 minutes. After that, take them out. Put them inside the tray, add some oil, some salt, some pepper, some garlic, and then pop them right into the oven. But right now, we're about to hit these burgers. Oh, but first, let me show y'all what we got going on over here for the burger. So it's gonna be a jalapeno burger. So I already chopped up some cabbage. We're gonna put the cabbage on top. We don't do lettuce and anything, so put the cabbage on top. But I got this carrot, add to the cabbage. So I'm just gonna shave it down. I'm gonna cut the base off and just shave it down. Take your knife and make little small strips. Just cut that. This is called a julienne cut, okay? I'm gonna do that to all the little small pieces. I'm gonna dump it inside the cabbage bowl. I'm gonna add one more thing to the cabbage bowl. Some scallions. And just cut it, get a nice chop, and then just nice chop. You want to take at least probably a little half. Just dump it over there. You want to keep some. You want to set some to the side. So I use two different type of cabbages: red cabbage, green cabbage. Put them together. They make deliciousness. All right. So the rest of the cabbage we are putting a little sauce on it. Oh my God. So you just want to... I'll clean myself in a minute, guys. You got a little...
Oh.
I know, right? Sorry. Got mayo everywhere. Alright, so you put mayo. Then we're going to go with some apple cider vinegar. Just probably, I'd say like 4 tablespoons. Go a little salt, just a little.
It's like 2 tablespoons.
What, apple cider vinegar?
Yeah, I feel like 4 tablespoons is a lot.
I like to put a lot of vinegar. And some pepper on that joint. And some honey. Cut that out. You get the top and you have fun with it. You want to shake it. Shake all the ingredients up. And now, give it a little taste. Everything should be mixed up. Should taste your food always. It's pretty solid. All right, now about to hit these jalapenos. So I told you it's gonna be a jalapeno Beyond Burger cheeseburger. So I just got 2 jalapeno peppers, and we're gonna roast them up real quick with some garlic. and that just brings out the flavor and the peppers. Just give it a nice little chop. A nice little cheese up. Pan, you want to turn it on. Yeah, I see it right there. Just low. Want to take your peppers. And your garlic. Let's see if this will work. Nah, it won't work. Set that there. So, pepper, garlic, pepper, garlic, boom, boom. Back down, a little olive oil. You don't want to let it roast. Like I said, we're doing the Beyond Meat. It's one of the best tasting meat substitutes. You get 20 grams of protein in this. It's about 220 calories. 4 servings per package, so that's only 1,000 calories in this whole thing. So if you split it up, which I'm making four burgers, so initially it looks like dog food. To be honest, it looks like dog food. It smells like dog food, but it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna put it in here and mix it up. Get it going. Get it going. Set it to the side. Since I'm making like smash burgers, which is pretty good, I want like little 4-ounce balls. All right, now you got the 4 balls. You want to come over to your cooking. You want to oil up the pans that you're gonna cook these joints in. Turn them on pretty high. And let that heat up. You want to cook these fast. Just like regular burgers, you want to cook them fast and hot. Get that solid sizzle and, you know, good crust on the bottom. So you want to salt these really well because they are not salty. So you want to get some salt. You want to go heavy on the salt. Heavy on the salt because
oh God, it's like
I clean that in a minute.
You can't clean it in there.
Just going down, huh? And if you want to, you can add a little garlic. Just a tad bit. Make sure you check on your peppers. You can add a little salt to that if you want to. Not mean a little, because you already. Whoa. Just a pinch. So you're gonna take the fries out. It should be all crispy. And take them. Come in. Dump them in there. Boom. Now, the fun part. Again, you want to salt. Throw some garlic in there. Just a little garlic. And remember the scallions from earlier? Drop them in. Let me get that carrot up out of there. Drop them in there. Take them off the paper. Give them a toss. And you can set these off to the side now.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what you want to do is drop the balls down. See that nice little sizzle? I told you I'm doing 4, so I got 2 different pans going on. Dropping down salt side first. And now the smashing begins. You can take your spatula and your knife, smash and push, smash and push. It might get a little stuck. You can probably add some oil to your spatula, but whatever. Smash, smash. Just grab 2 buns. Toss them in the oven for 3 minutes. Let them get toasty, nice and toasty. Don't forget about your peppers. You don't want them to cook too hard. You don't want them to be a little soft. And you let that go. Cut up some onion for, just slightly cut the onion for the, what do you call it? Condiments and burgers and ingredients, whatever. Slightly cut a tomato. As many slices as you want. And don't forget to flip the burgers, which I need to do right now. Hey, watch this flip. Oh, terrible flip. See that nice little crust at the end, at the bottom?
Yeah, the crust on these burgers, I feel like is really good. To give them some texture.
Oh, that one. Fire. And we can probably turn this all the way down. Damn near. Smoked gouda, but it's dairy free. So it's a cheese substitute. Trying to stay away from, the dairy. It's not good for you. So I'm just put 1 on top of each. I think it's 4 exactly. 1 on top of each. 1 over here too. Have that darkness on it. Alright, so before I forget, popping the brother. Let me take these buns out, which should be, they nice and toasted right now. Nice and crispy. I'm gonna put 1 down here, 1 down here. And come over here, work with me. I'm sorry guys, it's a little foggy in here, but so I'll make the sauce for the burger. So let me turn this back up. Hopefully it don't squirt out anywhere. Alright, you wanna start with a mayonnaise base, which everything starts with a mayonnaise base. I'm gonna add a little mustard. Got the French, just a little bit. A little cayenne pepper. And I love my Cheyenne. She treats me well. And of course, this Sweet Baby Ray's. Just put a little bit in there. Just a little bit. Boom. And give it a stir. Yak up some down. You want to yak up some down over here. Give it a little. I just put this one on the bottom, but you should try to put it on the top. That was stupid. But anywho, like that. Come over, grab some onions and some tomatoes. You want to put the tomato, I said this is the bottom right here. You want to put the onions and tomatoes at the bottom. And throw some fries in there. These fries are very Alright, time to plate the burger. So I'm going to take this one. This is the bottom. Boom. I'm going to get the jalapeno peppers. Probably let it cook a little bit too long, but nah, actually it's perfect. Got the crispy garlic. Now get some, you want to put that right on top. On top. Smells good. The main event, the slaw. I'm gonna use my hands because I've eaten this and nobody else. Top it. I'm gonna top that slaw. Jalapeno beyond burger. Now for the bite, just one bite. Hot.
I can't with your bite. That looked disgusting.
It's hot, but it's good. And there you go. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And if I should put on a shirt, let me know, because the camera woman, she wants me to put on a shirt so bad. And she wants me to lose a hat. So if y'all say I should put on a shirt and lose a hat, I'm doing it. Catch y'all later. I was going. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to I Am Cooking with Darnell, and I'm Darnell.
You look like an uncircumcised penis.
You look like these nuts. And I'm adding this to the video. Would you say?
No, you're not.
Yes.